Listen up, you donkey. It's family cooking time and things are about to get messy. Picture this: flour flying everywhere, kids giggling uncontrollably, and the kitchen turning into a delightful chaos. It's not just about cooking, it's about creating memories, one messy moment at a time. In this corner, we have Grandma, the reigning queen of the kitchen. With decades of experience under her belt, she's the matriarch who knows her way around every pot and pan. Her secret, a treasure trove of recipes that have been passed down through generations, each one a testament to her culinary prowess. She's got recipes passed down for generations. They're good, believe me. These aren't just any recipes. They're family heirlooms, each dish telling a story of its own. From the perfect Sunday roast to the most decadent chocolate cake, Grandma's got it all. And in the other corner, we have Big Sis. She's young, she's fearless, and she's ready to take on the challenge. With a whisk in one hand and a tablet in the other, she's the modern-day culinary warrior. She's young, she's fearless, and she's got a secret weapon: the internet. Armed with the latest recipes, cooking hacks, and a plethora of online tutorials, Big Sis is ready to bring her A-game. She's not just cooking, she's innovating, blending traditional techniques with modern twists. Think she can outcook Grandma? It's a classic battle of tradition versus innovation, experience versus enthusiasm. The kitchen is their battlefield, and the stakes are high. Who will emerge victorious? The seasoned veteran or the daring newcomer? We're about to find out. The clock is ticking, and the pressure is on. Each second brings them closer to the ultimate test of their culinary skills. Will they rise to the occasion or crumble under the pressure? This is a 5-round cooking showdown, folks. Each round will push their limits, testing their creativity, precision, and ability to work under pressure. From appetizers to desserts, every dish will be a testament to their culinary journey. Each round will test their skills with a different dish. Round 1 might be a savory starter, round 2 a hearty main course, and so on. Each dish will require a unique set of skills, pushing our contestants to their limits. Judges, the whole family of course, let the games begin. The family will be the ultimate judges, tasting each dish and scoring them based on taste, presentation, and creativity. It's not just about winning, it's about bringing the family together, sharing laughs and creating unforgettable moments. As the dishes are presented, the family members will taste and savor each bite, their faces lighting up with delight or scrunching up in surprise. Every reaction will add to the excitement, making this cooking showdown a roller coaster of emotions. The debates will be fierce, with each family member passionately defending their favorite dish. Scorecards will be held up, and the tension will rise as the scores are tallied. Who will win the coveted title of the family's top chef? Both Grandma and Big Sis will give it their all, pouring their hearts into every dish. Their determination will be palpable, their passion for cooking shining through with every stir, chop, and garnish. In the end, it's not just about the competition. It's about the joy of cooking together, the laughter, the love, and the memories made. No matter who wins, the real victory is the bond that grows stronger with each shared meal. As the family sits down to enjoy the fruits of their labor, they'll realize that the true essence of cooking lies in the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones. The challenge may be on, but the love and laughter are what truly matter. So let the challenge begin. But remember, in this kitchen, everyone is a winner because every dish is made with love. Let's cook up some magic and make memories that will last a lifetime. First up, it's cake. Everyone loves cake, right? Whether it's a birthday, a wedding, or just a regular Tuesday, cake has a way of bringing people together. The sweet aroma, the vibrant colors, and the anticipation of that first bite, there's nothing quite like it. Today we're diving into a cake showdown that promises to be both delicious and dramatic. So grab a fork and get ready for some sugary excitement. Grandma's starting strong with her famous chocolate cake recipe. It's got layers, it's got frosting, and it's got that special touch that only years of experience can bring. Grandma's been baking this cake for decades, perfecting it with each passing year. The rich, velvety chocolate, the smooth, creamy frosting, it's a family favorite for a reason. Every bite is a trip down memory lane, filled with love and tradition. It's got that special something that only Grandma can make. Maybe it's the secret ingredient she never reveals, or perhaps it's just the love she pours into every mix. Whatever it is, her cake is always a hit. The family gathers around, eagerly waiting for a slice, knowing that Grandma's cake is more than just dessert. It's a piece of family history. Big Sis is going for a more modern approach. She's always been the adventurous one, never afraid to try something new. Today she's found a crazy rainbow cake recipe online. It's bold, it's colorful, and it's unlike anything the family has seen before. With her tablet in hand, she meticulously follows the steps, determined to create a masterpiece that will wow everyone. She found some crazy rainbow cake recipe online. The kitchen is a whirlwind of activity as she mixes vibrant colors into the batter. Red, blue, green, yellow, every color of the rainbow is represented. It's a feast for the eyes, and the anticipation builds as the layers come together. Will it taste as good as it looks? Only time will tell. It's got colours I've never even seen before. The batter is a kaleidoscope of hues, each one more dazzling than the last. Big Sis can't help but smile as she pours the colourful mix into the pans. It's a playful, whimsical creation, and she's having a blast making it. The kitchen is filled with laughter and excitement as she works her magic. Let's just hope it tastes better than it looks. With a nervous laugh, she takes a taste of the batter. It's a moment of truth, filled with suspense. The family watches, holding their breath as she makes a face. Is it good? Is it bad? The tension is palpable, but Big Sis is determined to see it through. After all, baking is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. The tension is thicker than Grandma's gravy. The kitchen is a hive of activity, with everyone focused on the task at hand. The air is filled with the sounds of mixing, baking, and the occasional burst of laughter. It's a friendly competition, but the stakes feel high. Who will come out on top? Grandma with her tried and true classic, or Big Sis with her bold new creation? Whose cake will reign supreme? Stay tuned, the moment of truth has arrived. The two cakes sit side by side, each one a testament to the baker's skill and creativity. The family gathers around, eager to taste and judge. It's a cake showdown for the ages, and the excitement is electric. Who will win the title of cake champion? You'll have to stay tuned to find out. Round two is here, and it's getting juicy. This time it's a watermelon carving competition. Grandma's got her trusty paring knife ready to create a masterpiece. Big Sis, on the other hand, has gone rogue. She's pulled out power tools. Is that a chainsaw? This is madness. The judges are speechless. Will Grandma's traditional skills prevail, or will Big Sis's chaotic creativity win the day? This is too close to call. Get those ovens preheated, because it's cookie time. Grandma's got her trusty cookie cutters out, ready to churn out classic sugar cookies. But wait, what's this? Disaster has struck. Grandma's cookies are burnt to a crisp. This is Big Sis's chance to take the lead. Her cookies are a work of art, decorated with icing and sprinkles galore. It looks like Big Sis might just win this round, but remember, there are still 2 rounds left. The game is far from over.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something.
Keep creating and never stop challenging yourself. Section 6, round 5, a spicy surprise. The final round is here and the pressure is on. It's a chili cook-off and these two are bringing the heat. Grandma's chili is a family secret, simmered for hours with love and spices. Big Sis is going for a more unconventional approach. She's got exotic peppers, strange herbs, and a whole lot of attitude. This is it, folks. The final showdown. Who will be crowned the ultimate family cook? Section 7, and the winner is, the judges have tasted, they've deliberated, and the verdict is in. It's a tie. That's right, folks. Grandma and Big Sis are both cooking champions. Looks like all that family rivalry brought out the best in both of them. They pushed each other to their limits and created some truly memorable dishes. Section 8, a family affair. More important than winning or losing, this cook-off brought the whole family together. There was laughter, there were tears, mostly from the chili, and there was a whole lot of love. At the end of the day, it wasn't really about the food, it was about family tradition and the joy of cooking together. Section 9, until next time. So, there you have it, folks. The first, and probably last, epic family cooking showdown. Until next time, stay hungry and keep those ovens hot. Who knows what culinary chaos awaits us in the future? One thing's for sure, it's going to be delicious.